Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you a new journal that I will have up in my Etsy shop. This is a Paris themed journal and would be perfect for Valentine's Day or anytime. So it is sort of like a little traveler's notebook style journal. It is one signature and it is a soft cover. It's tied up with this vintage fabric style stripped ribbon that I found in an antique shop. And there's a little charm there, a little heart charm. So this is unattached, so you can take it off and you don't have to use it around, or you can use it for something else, but I think it goes perfect with the book. So the base of the cover is this vintage fabric. That's what it looks like. And I have it sewn together with another piece of paper. On the other side is this pink with gold foiling hearts. This is the Ooh La La collection that's from Michaels. So that it is sewn all the way around. And then I sewed some of this vintage crocheted ruffle here. And then I put some really pretty dangly trim at the bottom that's pink. And then I added this little pom-pom trim at the bottom, and that goes all the way around to the back. And then I sewed two pieces, this picture from the paper collection on top of another piece of paper from the collection to make a pocket. And then I made this tag here with the paper from the collection, and I added some pom-pom trim and more of this fabric ribbon here. So that sticks in there. And then there's a pocket on the inside. That page with some trim sewn on there, a belly band, little tuck spot. I decorated another tag to go with it with this French image there. There's dyed paper, tea-dyed paper, and I also went around with some vintage ink and inked up the edges. Some beautiful glitter ribbon there, a tuck spot, ledger paper. There's a little flip up there, little pocket I made with some book paper and a cutout from the paper and some vintage buttons. This isn't vintage, that one is. Some lace at the top there. And this is a pocket as well. So I put this envelope in here. This is an actual old envelope that somebody had sent to France. So it has the stamps on it that I had found in an antique shop. So that fits in there. Some dyed heart doily. Another little side pocket with a tuck there. I made this paper with scraps and did some sewing on it. And then on the other side is a belly band. This is a pocket here. Lots of spaces for pictures. Here's a French music sheet. I printed that out. A tuck spot. Here's a check. Not real. It's a printable. A little flip out there. This is a vintage planner, a teacher planner. Another little pocket that I decorated. Oops. Sorry. I don't know if you saw that. There we go. And some trim sewn on the outside there. The other side of that pocket, tuck spot. This is just a piece of vintage paper that I printed out. And there's the other side of that. So I colored this with food coloring, the paper, or dyed it. And this is a pocket here. Little tuck spot. Oops. Tuck spot here, and this is a printed vintage check. It says hello gorgeous. Tuck spot. This is another little tuck belly band. And that's the the end cover there. And the back. So that's my newest journal in my shop. So go ahead and check that out. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.